So I need my tires rotated, or at least that's what my husband has been telling me. So we're going to DIY Auto Repair, where they're going to attempt to teach me how to do it. I have the owner on the phone. Hi, Reagan.
Hi, Sophia.
How are you? Are you ready for me?
Oh, we are so ready for you.
Okay,
We're gonna have you in day 2.
Day 2.
You're just gonna honk your horn and we'll let you in.
Oh, I think I'm here. I'm here. Hi. Hello. Look how nice everybody is. This is great.
This business is the first of its kind in the Treasure Valley.
We are a completely inclusive shop, so we rent out our lift bays and our tools, specialty equipment, everything to get any job done and in a safe manner. There's a lot of people that want to do it themselves that just don't have the tools or equipment.
Reagan owns DIY Auto Repair with her husband, Chris.
We just saw a need in the community as far as people having a space, and it doesn't make sense for somebody to go and spend $300 on a brake line flaring tool to use one time on their car, when it makes sense for me to buy that tool and have it here for multiple people to use. So there's just one example, but this is an area where they can come and not only use that tool, but also have somebody here to help.
They told me that a lot of their clientele are actually mechanics, car dealers, gearheads, and people who are confident working on their car, but just don't have the tens of thousands of dollars of equipment to do it at home.
Just cut the boot. It's just easier to do it here than on your back in your garage or a driveway or wherever you live. The tools, the time, it's more cost effective.
One customer I talked to says he's been coming since they opened.
What are you working on today?
My 2002 long travel Toyota Tacoma. It's got bump steering issues, so we're trying to figure out where it's all coming from.
Even though Will knows what he's doing, he could always use some extra help. Especially when specific parts are needed, which luckily DIY Auto Repair is able to get really quickly.
We basically offer all of the benefits of a professional mechanic shop available to the general public. I've got commercial accounts set up with all the local parts suppliers here in town. We offer our discount to our customers. So you get the price that a mechanic shop would get, you get that price on our parts. I just don't think that's the problem.
Once Will started working with Chris, it didn't take him long to figure out what was wrong with his truck.
Everybody here's a car person, so when you combine more than one person with one issue, it's easier to come to a solution a lot faster than you scratching your head, like going to YouTube University trying to figure stuff out. I think that one was it, dude.
I feel like that is it.
You get more people involved, you can source the problem a lot faster.
Renting a lift bay will cost you $50 an hour, and if you want a real mechanic to help you with your repair, it's $110 an hour. The prices are adjusted depending on what you need.
If you want us to just take over, we have that option as well. So it's $130 an hour is our shop rate, and there'll always be someone here that can help no matter what. So we'll never let anyone go down in flames. There'll always be someone here. We are helpful for people that are in the industry themselves that just need a lift and kind of know what they're doing, to someone that maybe wants to learn something new.
Speaking of learning something new, I was really excited to work with Reagan and Chris.
Hi.
Hi, Sophia.
How are you?
Doing great.
Good. Okay, we ready to rotate these tires?
We are.
What do we do?
All right, all we need to do is get it up on the lift.
Oh, easy.
Once we were all set up, I grabbed a drill. And with Chris's supervision, I got to work.
Is this right? That's good?
Yep.
And now I'm going?
Squeeze. Good, it's out.
I did it. Okay. Now what? Now what happens?
So we'll take this one out, and now
Great.
you're gonna wanna go to this one right here.
Okay.
I was surprised how easy it was.
Got that one too. First try.
Once the tire was off,
Oh, that's what it looks like on there?
it was time to move it to the back of the car.
What we're doing really is we're changing the tires to a different location on the car so they wear evenly. So
Okay.
this tire here, we're gonna put straight into the back. We're gonna put the back tire from your driver's
Oh.
side up onto this side here. So that way they all get a chance to rotate differently.
Okay. So wait, this is pretty simple.
Once all the tires had been swapped
You know, it's all part of being a mechanic, right?
It is.
and the lug nuts were tightened,
If I lose a finger, I lose a finger.
We had to calculate the torque.
So what does this do? Like, what is the point? Why do we need to know this?
Yeah, so over tightening a bolt will stretch the threads on the bolt or inside of the hole with the threads in them.
Okay.
After Chris's computer system told me the amount of foot-pounds I needed to apply, he set the digital torque wrench to display the measurement reading, so I could know once I'd applied the correct amount of pressure.
Yep, and you're good. That
I'm done?
solid, yep, that solid sound tells you that you've made it to the torque that you were going for.
Oh.
You did it.
Yeah, I did. Okay, now
So
we have
Now we'll just reset this to
20 more, 19 more.
It only took about 10 minutes to do all 4 tires.
It's a lot of manual labor.
It's quite a bit.
If you're considering giving DIY a try, remember that regardless of where you're at right now, it's never too late to learn something new.
Yep. Okay. Cool.
Go.
You guys, thank you so much. This was so fun.
You did so good. We're so proud of you.
Thank you. I feel proud of myself. I feel like maybe if anyone needs their tires rotated, they have someone to call now.
For sure.
Well, thank you again. And you guys definitely need to come check out their business because it is awesome. Reporting here in Boise, I'm Sophia Dumani. Yay. High five.
Awesome.
I have to hit myself in the head with this thing.